hello everyone. As you all know me, I'm your science teacher, Miss Rija. And today we will discuss about the earth. So as you all know, the earth is made up of different layers. The earth's surface is cool, but the center is very hot. The center of the earth is called core. The core is very hot. The inner core is solid, but the outer core is liquid. Mantle is the layer outside the core. This is also the layer of rock. The outer layer is thin. It is called the crust. We live on it. And now, how Earth was formed. Many years ago, the crust of the Earth was very hot. As time passed, the Earth cooled down and broke up in pieces. In some places, hot gases escaped. In some parts of the world, there are volcanoes. A volcano is a place where the hot gases in the earth come to the surface. Sometimes hot liquid rocks called lava pour out. When the lava cools, it forms rock. And now about rocks, there are many different kinds of rocks. They have different colors. To us, all rocks seems hard, but some are quite soft. Granite is hard. It is used to make pillars and roads. Chalk and limestone are soft. Minerals, metals, and precious stones. Most rocks contain minerals. Minerals are found all over the world. In some rocks, there is only one mineral. In other rocks, there is many minerals. Rocks also contain metals. Silver, gold, and iron are some metals. Precious stones are found in some rocks. Earthquakes. Earthquake can push up mountains. They can also do a lot of damage to a man-made structure. Now let's talk about the soil. Soil is made by erosion. It is made up of rocks and humus. Sandy soil is usually formed in deserts and at the seashore. Soil, which is a mixture of sand and clay, is called loam. This is the best kind of soil for plants, especially crops. And now let's talk about week 4. And the week 4 is the solar system. What is solar system? Our Earth is a part of solar system. The word solar means of the sun. The solar system is the sun and everything that orbits around it. The 8 planets that orbit the sun in our solar system: Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And now about the moon. The moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. It orbits around the Earth. It also rotates on its axis. It takes 28 days to rotate once on its axis.